Good evening, it's Lynn from Ewetopia Farms. We're starting this video different because we're gonna start with the night before and we'll lead up into the morning. So here we go for another day. I already was uploading my video, and so I just thought I'd add this on to the next day. Me closing up the barn for the night. Arnie's planting beans, so I'm in charge of locking all the boys up. Hi, how you doing, Jed? This is Jed. Hi, Jed. And that, of course, is Ferdinand. Oh, and you guys, you didn't do that, did you? I wasn't gonna come in here, but I see they've knocked their feeder over, so better make sure that nobody's injured. How did you guys manage that? How did you guys manage to knock that right over like that? Who did it? Handsome? Was it you? Which one of you was it? One of you did it. Ferdinand? Was it you? I don't know. One of you guys was being silly, I can tell. Oh well, we'll have to get that up in the morning. Ferdinand. Arnie's gonna come feed you after he's done planting, okay? Hi. You're so nice. You are so nice, Ferdinand. You are. You're really nice. Oh, Jed. It's easy to eat like that, isn't it? There's Sheriff. They're all wondering why Arnie's not feeding them. But he'll be feeding them later, so I just lock them up to make sure they're all in before it gets dark. They, like you saw, they usually do that on their own, but just to be safe. And back there, that's Hamish back there with his new haircut. It turned out pretty good, I think. Hi, General. Hi. Hi. I see you. Yeah. General, I'm pretty sure that's Cat and Kaboodle's dad. And of course, Scotty's here. If we're in the ram pen, Scotty's here. Okay, we're gonna go feed Kit Kat and Kaboodle now. Sorry guys, I hate to leave you because you know that you're the most friendly of all. You know that, right, Ferdinand? Yeah, you are so nice. And General, you're really nice too. My goodness, how did we get such nice rammies? I don't know how it happened. You guys are just so nice. Okay, into the next barn. These guys are actually massive now. We've cut back their bottle feeding as well. Hi. Hi, Kit. Hi, Kit. Was that a good bottle? It looked like it was yummy by the froth on your lips. Yeah. Hi. You guys did a good job demolishing those bottles. You did. Now I have to lock these guys up, but as you can see, I'm pretty sure everyone's here. Hi, you guys. They're out of hay, so they all are waiting for dinner, which means they're waiting for Arnie. Are you guys hungry? Now I just have to walk to the back this laneway between the two barns here and just locked the gate, so it's coyote proof. This side is the ewes. They're following me along thinking I'm going to give them something. And on this side we got the lambs who are a little more relaxed. And the sun's going down. Tonight we have a gate that's locked. We've got page wire fence that goes right to the ground, which is the paddock area around the barn. And I will shut those gates to the barn. And then all the fields back here are also surrounded with page wire to the ground as well, with gates back there all closed. So the coyotes to get in here have to go through quite a lot of obstacles if they want to bother the sheep. And we never have had a problem with them. If you are prepared for coyotes, then you won't have problems with them. Everything looks cool at night. Way back there you can see some lights going. It's much brighter in the camera than it is in real life, but that's Arnie planting beans back there. The lamb barn needs feeding too, so I kicked in what was left of the hay, and hopefully Arnie will feed these guys too when he gets back. Well, everybody's locked up. The lights are all on. I kicked in what hay they had, cleaned some more drinkers. It's getting really dark now, but the rest is up to Arnie. I think he's got a lot of hay to feed, so it's a late night for him, I guess. The tractor repair guy's here doing last minute repairs on the tractor, hopefully getting the air conditioning and everything working on it. So until that's done, Arnie can't go to the fields, but I'm guessing he's going to be done shortly and back to planning. So we're just checking our mailbox, and we have mail. The rams are in this front paddock here again. This is where we have them grazing right now. Arnie's still out planting beans. Supposed to rain this afternoon, but so far it's holding off. So the longer it holds off, the better, and I think tomorrow's a rain day, so that would work out perfectly for growing everything. So we'll see what happens there. I was just heading out to check on the sheep, and I heard a tractor coming down the road, and it looks like Arnie's back with the disc. So I assume that means he got all the fields disked, and I don't know if he's going to go in with the cultivator now or if he's just going to try plant the beans, but I'm guessing he's going to cultivate. We'll have to see about that. This should be the last day of the ewes in this paddock, and then we'll gonna let the lambs in. If it's raining, we won't let them out here, but we'll let them out the following day. But they pretty well grazed it all down, and what they leave standing is just those bare stalks with all the leaves eaten off, because they're not too interested in it. about eating the stalks. Well, I spent the morning doing errands in town, groceries, banking, pharmacy, all that stuff. And Arnie's back from planting now, so most of the day is done. So maybe we'll just let these three out to run around in the yard for a little while. Hi! 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 Hi, you guys! Woohoo! You're pretty clever, you three. Sorry, you guys. We're letting the privileged three out. Come on, you guys. Would you like to come play? Cover that up so you don't knock that over. Hey? Come on. Come on. Hey, guys. Hi. Come on out. Come on out. There we go. Hi. How you doing? Would you like to come over in the yard? What do you think? We can go over here if you'd like. Come on. Oh, you guys are such a good group. Ben will do his best to keep them under control. Any opportunity to try work. Hi, you guys. There's grass over here. I'll sit down in the grass with them. See if they'll come over. Oh, you see, they don't like bugs. Yeah, that's the problem with outdoors. There's bugs. They're nasty things. Hi, you three. Hi, buddy. Hi. What do you think about being out here? Pretty nice, isn't it? Would you guys like to walk in the backyard? Come on, we can go for a walk. We don't have to hang around here. Come on, you guys. Come on. Come on, then. There we go. This is the backyard. This is the backyard, you guys. What do you think? Pretty exciting, isn't it? You know what they don't like here? It's the bugs. Hi. All the way in the backyard, you guys. Pretty clever. Pretty clever. Woohoo! That's fun. Oh, and the ewes are coming out into the pasture there. So maybe the lambs will like to see them. Ben, don't do that. I'm going to sit down, you guys, and you can just graze around here. There. There. Kit and Cat. There's Kaboodle. They're testing out the grass anyway. That's good. And if you look through the fence there, you can see the ewes heading over this way. Because they've done quite the job on the grass, so we can see them quite clearly through the fence. Every dog is here, like they've got a major task on hand here with these 3 sheep. Ben, Ben, don't stalk them. Hi. Go up there. Come on, kid. Don't be a little adventurous. Not in the garden. Then no.
That's Maxie.
You guys should be the show sheep. You walk really well. You guys walk really well. Ben, get out of the garden. Watch what happens if you run. Are you guys just joyful? Yes, you are. Just having fun. Just having fun, Max. You're having fun.
Max, come on. Max, come on, buddy.
You guys are so good. Are you getting hot now? Hot now. Hot. Getting a little hot out here. Yeah. Now there's a cat beside you. Then stop it. Grass, you know. Grass. See the pussycat? Come on. Get out, you guys. Wow, what do you think about that? That's pretty interesting. Yep, that's a rope to stop Max from going in the garden. Nice. They're not too shy, are they?
Hey. Come on, bud. You guys want a beer?
He's looking in the door.
Hey, buddy. Come on.
Cat. That's Cat. If only the show sheep were this friendly and tame. Okay guys, I think it's time to get something to drink. We'll get some water for you guys. Hey guys. Kit, come on. Look where Cat is. Look where Cat is. Cat went all the way in. That's pretty clever, you guys. Are you guys shy at all? Let me get us a drink. What are you having to drink? I don't think you guys need a drink. I don't.
I usually don't want a coffee, but
I'm gonna have something cold.
I want something cold too, but should we really have an alcohol in the middle of the day?
Well, it's after 12. It's after 3 even. I'm gonna have a gin and mango. Hi, you guys. Are you even a little bit shy? Okay, so they're gonna wander the kitchen.
How many ice?
2 or 3. And we're gonna have a mango and gin with these guys on the porch, because they will come out on the porch with us. Aren't you guys afraid? You don't look too afraid. See, if you have a farmhouse, you don't have to worry about animals coming in your house, because chances are your house is filthy anyway. What are you getting out there? Oh, you're not having, you're having rum and coke? Now they've gone in the mudroom. You guys.
Make yourself at home there.
Okay, they're all heading out now.
Kids we never had.
There we go. No fuss. Eh? I'll bring them out on the grass. Maybe they'll want to eat some grass. Hey guys. Woohoo! Come on. Come on, Kitten Kaboodle. Cat's already down here. Come on. Come on. Come on down. No, get off the porch now. Kit, come on. Come on, Max. Max. Okay, we had the hardest time getting them off the porch because they decided they didn't want to leave the porch. Come on, you guys. Time to go back. Come on. Come on. Come on, you 3. Come on. Well, I think we can safely call that a day. So I hope you'll join us again tomorrow for the next episode at Ewetopia Farms. Bye for now.